Hello, welcome to today's video, and in today's video we have M3 out to hibernation because it was sitting in the garage for 2 months, or around 2 months. Now, I actually been out once because it wasn't snowing and I needed to wash the M3, but apart from that, it's been chilling in the garage. And today we're gonna go city drive because this is by far one of the most requested POV drives. So let's jump in and go for a drive. Now, there is some roadworks, but the big brake kit has arrived. We have to do another mod, a few mods, which I have in my trunk. I'm super excited about it because it's something which I always wanted to do, and I never really had any reason to do it. And we're starting off strong. How I've missed this sound. Of course, the road can be a bit better, but once we get to the town or a city, it's going to be better. Throughout the winter period, the content got a little slower. I was finding it difficult to even find something which I haven't uploaded yet, but I have filmed, which I do have plenty of, but I just didn't want to upload anything just for the sake of uploading, trying to keep the quality up, especially on Instagram. And in that regards, it got a little bit difficult. Now I'm trying to get used to all of the noises which I forgot about in the M3, because there's plenty, and it feels like the car is going to brake at any point in time while driving, because it sure sounds different than the B48 or 1.9 turbo diesel. Now, for those that do care, I have also moved recently, and so this obviously did take a huge amount of time. Again, making creating content slightly a bit more difficult. There's a little dog. But it feels like I'm almost back on track with the nice weather, with us fully settling in to our new place. I'm definitely really excited for this year again, as I'm planning to add on another car. But again, what is it going to be? I'm not even sure yet. I have a list of cars, but we'll have to see what will come up. Also, how the funds are, because again, moving over, getting all the furniture, it's not the cheapest. But we still have some work to do on the M3. So first off, the big brake kit. I have, let's say, 7 little mods sitting in my trunk. Variety of mods, something which I again wanted to try but never really had a chance to experience. But also, I'll have to buy a newer diffuser. First off, I have to return this one. I'm probably gonna end up finding a different seller because again, the current one didn't pack the diffuser well, and so it cracked. Let's go. You can turn. It's been even a while since I drove those roads. So even driving like I used to do to record videos, or just to get anywhere where I really needed to get, it feels very fun. Again, because I haven't done it in a while. Actually, let's overtake him. There's a dude jogging. It's the second day of this pretty alright weather, and so everybody is out just enjoying the day. I'm just hoping there won't be as many cars on the roads, because, you know, I'm hoping that people went elsewhere to chill with their families and stuff. And here is actually a road where I filmed, I think, my first video that went viral and started this whole Instagram story. I was going, again, doing downshifts, and then I think somewhere around this part, I've done that sweet downshift to second. It's so fun looking back at those times. We've got to watch out for cops. Again, the weather got so much better, and the problem is that there have been so many crashes involving motorbikes and cars that obviously we got to watch out. And I honestly still kind of feel a bit rusty even talking. It's so much easier when you're working on mods because you got things to do, you kind of explain what you're doing, but just driving and talking, it's been a while since we've done this, and yeah, I have to get used to it again. And when you're driving it in a town, like, there isn't much you can do. I mean, is this enjoyable? Is this what kind of people meant that they wanted? I can throw in a few downshifts, but here, if you go over a speed limit by a bit too much, you're going to get your driver's license taken away from you, unfortunately. So there is kind of, you know, very minimal things we can do. But what we can do is we can talk about the next car. So the fastest that we are going to be properly in the market for one is in about 2 months, I want to say, unless there are going to be some unexpected costs. E92 M3 needs rod bearings. That's probably going to have to be done in about 4 or 5 months, I would say. Depends how many miles we're going to put onto the M3, obviously. And we're going to, I guess, just do a lap. The roads are still cold, so it's so much easier to slide around. But again, if you do slide around here, you might get your car impounded, but you might also go to prison. Now, drifting around is considered an actual crime here now, which is absolutely just dumb. And there is a small bridge up ahead. Let's get a downshift. We definitely need to go to a bigger city to do a POV drive, because here, again, too many cars, not enough views. But one thing that's already so nice to see are just nice cars are on the road. While I was warming up the M3, there was a Corvette C7, absolutely stands out, purple, huge ring driving behind us, and it was just a nice view to see. It feels more alive, where over winter it just sounded and it felt dead. You know, there are so many people that haven't seen nicer cars around, and so seeing one now, even myself having a nice car, it feels nice, it feels right. But one question which I have for you is, what car events should we go to this year around Europe? Because I want to go 2 or 3 car events which aren't in Poland, just so we could get some more content. And what sort of content would you like to see, apart from obviously the new car? Because the mods on the M3, we're getting into the territory where it just gets really expensive. And yeah, doing a single mod, like let's say the Plenum, it's about €3,000, and like we could put that towards a new car that could bring us more content over time. So it's very hard to justify some costs of mods for the M3, because we've already done a good few mods which are, I want to say, quick, simple, easy, cheap. We have to take care of some maintenance, as you may have possibly seen in the maintenance video, which is obviously going to set us back a bit of money, but it's a price I'm willing to pay for driving this car. Now, just to update everyone on the garage, So the shutter gates, or whatever they're called, they're going to be here probably end of next month, and probably end of next month is when we are going to be able to drive in to the new garage in order to do anything really, because we can drive in there, we will have lights, we could walk around the car, we could wash the car inside because there's already running water. There's so much that we are going to be able to do, but it just took some time in order to get here. I'm very aware that at the start, initially people rent, and then they obviously use the money in order to, I guess, fuel up their content. But, you know, me and my bro, we've kind of done it the other way around. And yeah, is it the better way? Is it the worst way? I mean, look, the benefit is that whatever money we have spent is with us instead of in somebody else's pocket because of the rent. But the negative is that, you know, we had to wait like 2.5, almost 3 years in order to have our own usable space, in order to be able to have fun and work on cars. So was it the better way? I'm not sure what would have happened if we were to rent and use that money towards maybe getting something else, or maybe adding something else like a GTR or some Porsche, or maybe finally a Gallardo, which should be coming in 2027. And again, driving around town, you have to be careful. The dude wanted to go straight, the woman wanted to go and cross the road. Also, very big shout out to everyone who has been supporting over winter. Just a special big shout out watching the videos, because it did help a lot. And it even made me just be more positive towards uploading content with so, I guess, little traction over winter. Again, January is also slow, February is also slow, but maybe from March onwards we're going to be able to get back into it, because right now I'm literally recording this video to add today, and then I'm going to come back home with this POV drive, and then I'm going to start working on mods just to get another video recorded while we have the good weather. And I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely easier to drive the M3 compared to what I was assuming it is going to be, but the downshifts, they are slightly rusty, but we're gonna work on it. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm not sure how long it is going to be, and yeah, time to go over to the side in order to film some reels and shorts. So again, hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. So take care, and to the next one.